praise God wherever you are watching me from. Click the share button to share this prophecy I'm about to give right now. Today's date is 3rd of December 2021. My name is Apostle John Stephen, the ego prophet of the nations. Prophecy, prophecy, prophecy. Prophecy is not I see or I saw. It is when you speak and it comes to pass. Remember, I carry power more than the way America carried dollars. My name is Ego Prophet of the Nations. Hear me clear and share this broadcast to go viral. Make sure you share this to your friends and to your families. Number one, I want the whole world to know that whenever there is something happening to you, it is as a result of the person that is close to you. One is this: I am the man that give a prophecy on the month of June 6th, 2021, and I said that the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is going to be arrested, and it was so. Hear me clear. I still go to mountain, I and my pastors, and I fasted for him for 3 good days, and the whole world was watching me, and the rain was falling, and I was in that mountain, and it was raining, both I and my pastors, including both my wife, on that raining season, which all of people see it. Now, after all the prayer I did to Biafran people, now DSS people begin to look for me, asking where will he then get that a man called Ego Prophet, so that nobody will be praying for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu again. Hear me clear. I am indestructible. I carry power more than the way America carry dollars. And if you try to look for me, you will die on the road. I am another Elijah of this new generation, and I am unstoppable. Hear this. On the day of my birthday, October, did you see what happened? The so-called Biafra people now go and pay people to come and shoot me on my birthday. Those people called IPOB people, those fake ones, they want and pay people to shoot me so that I cannot be praying for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu again. What a disgrace. It is now understand that what the Bible said, that a man called Judas sold Jesus Christ. But to hear this information, the Bible said that Judas hung himself before Jesus Christ died. Anyone that is trying to kill you or trying to stop you, that person will die before you. Mark my word. The voice of prophet is a voice of God, and the voice of God is a voice of prophet. Hear this message and share this prophecy I'm about to release now. Today's date is 3rd of December 2021. Now I want to show you something. Hear this clear wherever you're watching me from. Just take a look before I will now tell you something. This is IPOB people. How I wish that you will see it clear. This is IPOB people that they report me to Facebook. That Facebook should not be allowing me to broadcast again. Are you seeing it clear? This is IPOB people. Let me try. See it clear. I believe you are seeing it. Did you see IPOB here? Just take a look here. You will see IPOB. Take a look. Take a look here. You see IPOB. They report me to Facebook. That Facebook should not be allowing me to broadcast again. Did you see that the problem of Nnamdi Kanu is not Nigeria? The problem of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is those John 10:10 that are the Ishmaels. One itinyaka kemaka with me mbupugaka. Itra yake maka with me nkotwagaka. Mwakana for the ego prophet. Akpado Sirmiken and Kipaswa. Did you see the people called IPOB people? That is why you can't blame Wazirike. Wazirike said that these people called IPOB, they are a destroyer. Did you see what they're doing? They write a message to Facebook and they block my Facebook since yesterday. As I was broadcasting, my Facebook was hacked. They hack my Facebook. So anybody that is chatting you now on Facebook, or calling you on Facebook or sending you message on Facebook, I am not the one. Did you hear what I'm telling you? The people that is working with the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, they are all 419 scammers, killers. They can kill more than Nigeria government. Did you see it? Somebody that is praying for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, fasting for the restoration of Biafra, that is the person they are trying to terminate. They cannot kill Nigeria government. They cannot kill governors. They cannot fight people that is fighting them. They are looking for a prophet to fight. Did you see that the country is gone? The Bible said in the book of Proverbs, chapter 29, verse 18, where there is no prophet, my people perish because of lack of knowledge. Did you see that when Elijah, if you heard that the Bible said that Elijah, they were pursuing after Elijah, it is true. Now look at how they are pursuing me, how they are looking for how to get me. But I am another Elijah. One day, with me in Bupugaka. Now they hack my Facebook, IPOB. Go online. You'll be watching my programs now, but I don't have access to my Facebook account again. They Google now send a message that the people that hack my Facebook is called IPOB. Let me show you very clear. Just take a look. See it very well. I believe you are seeing me. This is my picture. This is my Facebook. That IPOB people hack my Facebook. Report me to Facebook. That is why when Nnamdi Kanu was broadcasting, saying the truth, Nigeria government now reporting Nnamdi Kanu, they hack his Facebook. Did you see that whenever you're saying the truth, those people that is your people will be the one to fight you? Look at what the IPOB people, those people that is looking for freedom, did you see how they are disgracing themselves? Look at people that is, look, this is to tell you that the Bible called them John 10:10a. These people that is working with the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, all of them is John 10:10a. Their work is to kill, their work is to steal, their work is to destroy. They don't want to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It is not because of the result of Nigeria government. It is at the result of those people that is working with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I give it on prophecy. Go and listen to my prophecy. You know that whatever that will happen, I always give it on prophecy. I am the man that give prophecy 3 days ago, and I mean 4 days ago, and I told the whole world what will happen in the court, because I always give a prophecy what will happen. That is the reason why those people that is using IPOB Radio Biafra now reach US people. I mean, they call Facebook to block me. Did you see wickedness in high level? That is to tell you that the work of John 10:10 is to kill, to steal, and to destroy. That is to let you know that they are the children of Ishmael. If you are watching me, call those people children of Ishmael. Now hear this clear. Wherever you are watching me from, God began to speak to me. God said to me, the ego prophet of the nations, I answer. He said, remember, I carry power more than the way America carry dollars. One ebumike, ebum power, and they mark with me. 2022, Imaka with me, Mbuchie Gaka. Imena Panatika Maka me Bupugaka. Akpadosrimike. Iman Obinigwe Keremofoma. A young man like me, you have to know now. Obra, I see I saw Boninyama. Now hear this information and share this broadcast. Right now, I will only be preaching and be prophesying on YouTube alone. And the name of my YouTube is Apostle John Stephen, the Ego Prophet. I repeat, this is my name on YouTube, Apostle John Stephen, the Ego Prophet. And this is my WhatsApp prayer line, +234 7085 93 2257. I repeat, our church WhatsApp prayer line is this, +234 7085 93 2257. If you are calling us on this line, my PA will pick the call. He will attend to you. My PA will speak with you and book appointment with you. And he will tell you what to do before you can speak with me. And once you do what my PA said, automatically he will connect you with me. I will speak with you. No any other number. I only have that WhatsApp prayer line. And if anybody is chatting you now on Facebook, I am not the one. They create different Facebook name. They create different things to make sure they spoil my image, to make sure they scam people, to make sure that they stop me, but they can't stop me. I am the ego. I fly above them. See what they're doing themselves. Number 5, share this prophecy. Pray for Anambra, a place called Onitsha. If you have anybody in Onitsha, Anambra State, pray for Onitsha. I saw fire in the market. This one is going to be heavy. Pray for Anambra, Onitsha. I'm seeing fire again. Mercy of God will speak for Anambra State, Onitsha. Pray for a place called Ore. I saw many people are going to die in a place called Ore Express Road on this December. Pray that the mercy of God will speak. Number 7 prophecy. Hear me clearly. Nnamdi Kanu is indestructible. I told you he's coming out. And I told you I'm going to tell you the date. And I'm going to tell you the date of sit at home. Just that a lot of people have been calling me since today. I should not release the sit at home. I should not. That government say if anybody talk about sit at home, they will kill the person. Which power do you have to fight government? The only power you have is to sit at home every Monday. That is what you will do that will pay government. And those John 10:10a now say that nobody should do sit at home. Did you see how they are deceiving people? At the beginning, they said no election in Anambra State. At the end, they say let election hold. I give it on prophecy. That they will come out and tell you let election hold. For you to know that they are really John 10:10a. Go and read it. You will hear that their name is John 10:10a. They come to destroy, to kill, and to steal. But God passed them. Hear me clear. It is a pity that Nnamdi Kanu don't know that the people that he put around himself are all scammers, are all 419, are all disgrace. Nnamdi Kanu pray for God to give him only 100 men. But he didn't have even 1 man. All of them are women. All of them are scammers. They are all after money, deceiving people, creating problem. But God is going to put disgrace in their life. I prophesy to you that is watching me right now. Wherever you are watching me from, I see you this December. God will disgrace your enemy. God will put your enemy to shame. You will finish well. You will not cry this December. Your family will not cry. If you say that you are not feeling happy where you are, I prophesy anointing to receive joy is coming to you. Any man or woman that went to stop you not to enter 2022, that person will cry your cry. You will enter 2022. Did you hear me clear? If you said you will not enter 2022, I will take you by myself. Did you hear me? And they mark with me. God bless you. I am the ego prophet of the nations. My name is Apostle John Stephen, the ego prophet of the nations. Power, no be powder. God bless you. Shalom.